Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another Java GUI tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn about how to have another window pop up inside of your program. And this window is going to be a help window. So when I click file help, or help, it's going to, a new window inside of our main frame is going to pop up. Yeah, you'll see. It's pretty cool. This is what you're going to use when you need to pop up a new window to like give directions or have input or something like that. So anyways, I'm going to construct a menu first. I'm not going to talk much excuse me. I'm not going to talk much through the menu constructing part because that's review, and if you watch my tutorials you should know what I'm doing. So anyways, I'm going to shut up now and start coding. Alright, so now make your event handling class, or declare it. The reason why I'm making so many mistakes typing is because it's pretty late and I'm about to go to bed after this because, yeah, I can't not type when I'm tired, so that's why I'm like fumbling around so much on the keys. But whatever. Alright, so add an action listener to the about item, so E, perfect. Alright, now make your event handling class. Alright, and this is the new part of the this yeah, whatever. Sorry, this is the new part, so go whatever your other window class is called. Mine's called help window. Whatever you named it, that's what you're gonna type in. So like normally when we make a GUI, we do like whatever this class is called, so like main window. But now we're gonna do whatever this one's called, so we're gonna do help window. So we're gonna do help window and then call it whatever you want. I call it GUI, and then it's gonna be equal to a new help window. And now instead of having empty parameters, something's actually gonna go inside these parameters for once. And it's gonna be main, or I mean not main, it's gonna be, yeah, main window dot this. And it's gonna give us an error because we haven't actually constructed this yet, but anyways, what this does, it just makes it's gonna allow us to, when we click the about thing, a new window is gonna pop up, and that new window is gonna be from the help window class. So now gotta do GUI and then set the default close operation, and it's not gonna let me like normally this NetBeans IDE lets me, I can like click the dot thing and it'll like come up with all the other things, but now I actually have to type it in because it gives me an error here, but that's alright. So see operation, and now we're gonna do, instead of our exit on close, that we won't want that because it would shut down the whole program. We just want to hide on close like that. And then we want to set the size, do 300, 100. I'm going to set the location, which I normally don't do, but it's kind of nice because then it'll kind of pop up right where our program is currently dragged to. And then set visible. Alright. So it's giving me all these errors, but that's alright. Now, make the main method, and I'm just going to kind of copy this, go a little faster. Alright, and change this, which is main window. Let's give me a main window, and no parameters. Alright. Delete that. Alright. Now we want it to exit on close because this is our main window. No location, and we'll give it a title. Main window. And I might as well give this one a title also. So. Alright, now, done with this class, go to your help class, and now, something entirely new. Instead of extending JFrame, we're going to extend JDialog. And basically a JDialog is a box that pops up, it's in your program, and it allows you to like type stuff in, like maybe input a couple numbers, text, or something like that. It's just like a little box that pops up, and we're extending that so we can implement all the things from JDialog. So, I'm just gonna have like a label just so you can see like what, yeah. And then normally, just do your constructor, and now we need a couple parameters. Let's put in JFrame frame so it can have a JFrame in there. And then proceed as normal, except further right here, you gotta do super, and that's referring to the super class JDialog. And then frame, don't really worry about this, but just do it anyways. And then name of the window. Should I forget? Yeah, this don't need a title here. So, name of the window and true. Yeah, you don't really need to know what that does. Just do it. Just make sure whatever you called your JFrame object, you do that true and whatever you want your title to be. Alright, and then set the layout. Let's do a nice flow layout because it's easy. And why do I always forget the capital L? Alright, and just make it label equals something. JLabel. I'm tired, this is a help menu. Make sure you spell menu wrong, and add the label. Alright. Alright, and that's it. You don't need anything else. So save, go back to here, forgot to put a new, and I forgot to put a new. Alright, perfect. So, I'm just going to run this thing. Here it is. Help, about. And what do you know? A new window pops up. It says, I'm tired, this is a help menu. So if you wanted, you can edit this and see like what your program does. And look, we can't close the main window because our JDialog box is open. So this JDialog box takes priority over this, and we cannot interact with the main window until we close this. Then we can interact with this. When this is open, this is the only window that is able to be dragged and manipulated, you know, resized. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess around too much because my stupid screen recording software has a habit of lagging my computer up, totally freezing it, causing me to reboot it, and that's why I don't like to interact with the program to make too much on screen because it's just a hassle. Then I lose my whole video too. So, anyways, so just review. This is the only thing that's different right here. Instead of doing this class, you just do the class that you want to show up, and that's our help window, and then you give it parameters of the class you're in, .this, and then you want it to hide on close, because if I put X on close, first of all, it's not going to compile, and second of all, it's going to like totally jack up your program. So, alright, anyways, I'm running low on time, so yeah, thanks for watching, and hope to see you again.